Good morning. We have discussed about several types of bonding, and that include covalent bond, ionic bond, coordination bond, hydrogen bond, and dipole-dipole interaction. What will be the next bond? It is a bond which keeps together the atoms in a molecule. And in today's lecture, we are going to discuss about three types of bond. First, we are going to discuss about ionic bond. In the case of ionic bond, we have two atoms. One atom donates electron and becomes stable. That is, if we take the case of sodium, the atomic number of sodium is 11. If it donates one electron, then it becomes Na+, and Na+ is a positive ion and has an octet of electrons, and so it becomes stable. This donated electron is accepted by another atom, and this also becomes stable. For example, the atomic number of chlorine is 17, and the number of valence electrons in chlorine atom is 7, and it accepts the electron given out by the sodium atom, and it becomes Cl minus, that is a negative ion. Whereas Na becomes Na plus, which is a positive ion, by donating one electron, and chlorine accepts that electron and becomes Cl minus, this is a negative ion. In this process, sodium becomes Na plus, which has an octet of electrons, and Cl becomes Cl minus, which contains an octet of electrons, and so both of them become stable. Now, the attraction between the positive and the negative ion is what is referred to as an ionic bond. This is the type of bond which is found in sodium chloride. Now, there is another type of bonding in which there are two electrons that are required for bonding, and one atom donates one electron for bonding. Another atom also donates one electron for bonding, and each atom donating one electron, and both the electrons are shared between both the atoms, and this results in a bonding. This is known as covalent bonding, and this is the type of bonding which is found in molecules like hydrogen, oxygen, as well as water molecule and several other organic molecules like methane, ethane, etc. There is a third type of bonding in which one atom donates both the electrons that are required for bonding, whereas the other atom does not donate any electron for bonding. And we have two electrons, but one atom donating both the electrons and another atom donating no electron, and the two electrons are shared between two atoms. This is what we call as coordination bond or dative bond. This is the type of bonding that is found in ammonium ion. That is, nitrogen contains a lone pair of electron, proton doesn't contain any electron. In the ammonia molecule, which is NH3, nitrogen carries a lone pair, proton doesn't contain any electron. A bond is formed between nitrogen atom and the proton, both the electrons coming from the hydrogen atom, and this is a coordination bond. This is a type of bond which is present in coordination complexes. So, in this lecture, we have discussed about ionic bond, covalent bond, and coordination bond. To summarize, in the case of ionic bond, one donates an electron to the other. The donor becomes stable, the acceptor becomes stable, and in this process, we get ions, and the attraction between the ion is ionic bond. The other type of bond, it is like two children coming together to play. one child bringing a toy, another child bringing a toy, and both the toys are shared between both the children. And this is covalent bond. The third type of bond is one child bringing both the toys, the other child not bringing any toy, but both the children play together with both the toys, and this is coordination bond. Thank you.